This is how I get rid of the winter dirt. In no time, you'll have your balcony ready for spring. All you need is a simple homemade mixture. Snow, melting, and the buildup of soot make your balcony require a deep cleaning after the winter months. Luckily, you don't need to use expensive detergents. A proven homemade method will help you effectively clean the tiles. First, remove all the furniture and items from the balcony. Then, sweep up the leaves and other debris with a brush with stiff bristles. Once the surface is ready, wash the tiles with water and dish soap. Next, prepare the homemade mixture. Mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and apply it to the stains, scrubbing with a sponge or brush. Finally, rinse with clean water. Before cleaning, test the mixture in an inconspicuous area. If the tiles react well to it, you can clean the entire surface. With this simple trick, your balcony will be ready for spring. Wasps and hornets will stay far away from your home. Thanks to this simple trick, you won't see them again. All you need to do is spray this mixture around door and window frames. These insects can be a serious problem around the house. They're often aggressive, even when unprovoked. If you notice a bee, it's a sign that wasps might be coming soon. Time to protect your home. I have a natural solution that works wonders and takes just minutes to make. Wasps and hornets have a very sensitive sense of smell, and there's one scent they absolutely hate. Cloves, a spice most of us love. Here's what to do. Take a handful of cloves, pour hot water over them, and let them steep until cool. Strain the liquid through a sieve, then pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it around doors, windows, balconies, or patios to repel wasps and discourage them from building nests. I hang this little gadget on my balcony. I make it entirely by myself. Start by placing eggshells in a small bowl and crushing them into smaller pieces with your fingers. Then take a glass bottle and press its bottom against the shells. As you press, you'll see how finely it breaks them down. Turn the bottle and use the tip for even more precise crushing. Once everything is ready, simply add the crushed shells to your plant. It's a natural boost that helps your plants grow strong and healthy. Eggshells provide valuable minerals like calcium and also act as a natural pest repellent. In just a few minutes, those shells you were going to throw away become the secret to healthier plants. Remember, using this natural fertilizer regularly can improve your plant's health and resistance to disease. Try it once and enjoy a beautiful, chemical-free garden. More and more people are hanging balloons on their balconies. The reason is surprising. If you notice such balloons on someone's balcony, they will signify one thing. Although it may seem strange at first, it has a great advantage. In this video, you will learn about their significance. Just a few balloons are enough. Choose a few balloons. Maybe you have some balloons at home from carnival or children's birthdays. The more colorful, the better. The size doesn't matter. Inflate them. Tie a ribbon to each balloon. They can be of different colors and lengths. You can even tie 2 or 3 balloons with one ribbon. Go out to the balcony and tie the balloons to the railing. Do it in several places. The balloons can hang on the railing from both sides. The wind will move them. And that's the point. If you notice such balloons on the balcony, you need to know one thing. They are not a balcony decoration. They are also not mounted on it because of a home celebration. It is not any indication of the apartment either. Instead, it is excellent protection. Against what? Against pigeons, balloons deader them. Birds will not land on a balcony with balloons. You don't have to worry that they will build a nest there in the spring or that they will soil your tiles and railing. Just a few balloons are enough to keep birds away. This is a great way to deal with pigeons. Neighbors will quickly start doing the same when they notice that there are no more birds on your balcony. This is your last chance to act because this trick only works right now. Timing is key. All you need are a few colorful trash bags, and chances are you already have some at home. Just pick a few and take them out onto your balcony. Fill each bag with air and tie it tightly. If you don't have colorful bags, regular plastic ones will work just as well. Even the small produce bags from the grocery store. Now, tie the bags to your balcony railing in a few spots. As they flutter in the wind, they act as a natural scarecrow. It might sound silly at first, but it works. I've been doing this for years, and I get to enjoy a clean, peaceful balcony every spring. No more mess, no more droppings, no more stress. The key is to hang them up before pigeons start nesting. I always put the bags out at the end of March, and ever since I started, I've never had a problem. The pigeons see the bags moving and think there's danger nearby. They stay away and look for other places to nest. This trick is simple, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. There's no need for harsh chemicals, loud noises, or messy cleanups. Just try it once and you'll see how pigeons vanish as if by magic. A brilliant trap for wasps and hornets. I hang it a few meters from the terrace so I can enjoy meals outside in peace. Making it is incredibly simple. First, you'll need an ordinary plastic bottle. Use a utility knife to cut it about 1/3 of the way up. Insert the cut-off top part back inside, upside down. Then, using a soldering iron or a heated wire, poke 2 holes. They should go through both layers of the bottle. Next, add 2 tablespoons of white sugar to the bottom. Take some regular string, cut 2 pieces, and thread them through the holes. Now, bring the bottle out to the terrace. Finally, crack open a hoppy beer. I just bought the cheapest one at the store, and pour it into the trap. Hang it on a fence or tree, a few meters from the terrace. The sweet scent will lure the wasps in, and once they fly inside, they won't be able to escape. Clip a clothespin with a hair tie onto the door handle. You won't regret it. This simple trick is surprisingly useful. I never knew that an ordinary clothespin with a hair tie would become my favorite little gadget. I'm sure you'll love this idea too. Everyone has a clothespin at home, and you only need one. A wooden one works best. You'll also need a hair tie or a rubber band. Make sure it's large enough. Wrap the hair tie around the clothespin, securing it where it would normally grip a clothesline. This will keep the band from slipping. Now, attach the clothespin with the hair tie to the handle of your balcony door. Balcony doors usually don't have an exterior handle, so when you step outside, the door stays open or slightly ajar. But it doesn't have to. With the hair tie attached, step onto the balcony while holding the clothespin. As you go out, simply pull it, and the door will close behind you. This trick is useful in both summer and winter. No more letting hot or cold air into your home just because you stepped outside for a moment.